Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down.
All right, YouTube. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Creeping up to a nice 66 degrees today. I don't know what the high is supposed to be, but it's going to be warm, I think. Anyway, last time I checked in with y'all, I told y'all that I might go check out some motorcycles. And I think I'm going to try to do that today. So, well, not a super long trip, about 30 minutes. But first, stop at Sonic for some nice tea. Wake up juice. Then we will hit the road and we'll I think I'm only going to check out one bike today. I haven't seen it in person, so I want to just go check it out, see what it's all about. Not even a whole lot of reviews on this bike on YouTube, so the ones I have seen are all pretty good. Kind of like the look of the bike, so from what I've seen, like I said, just seen it in pictures and video. Seems to be pretty nice. Just a little backstory. The bikes I've had one sport bike, which was I can't even remember the year. I want to say it was a 96 Honda CBR 600. And then I got my first 2001 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. And then I found another Fat Boy that I really liked, and I got it, and that was a 2010 Fat Boy Low. So that's kind of my motorcycle history. Okay, pardon me, I am at Sonic, and I'm going to order. It's so fun. You get to hang out at Sonic. Yes, ma'am. I'd like a large sweet tea, and that'll be it.
A large sweet tea, that's it?
That's it.
$2.50, thank you.
Thanks. $2.15 for a large sweet tea. Is that crazy or what? Well, let's see. Do I have just $2? Sure, you're like, why is he sitting there making me watch him order at Sonic? And the reason that would be is I don't want to deal with pausing the camera, starting the camera, and all that fun stuff. Because like I said, I am new to this. Take for them to bring me a sweet tea? That's the question. Ooh. Anyway, but that's my motorcycle story. Had 3. Like I said, I'm not even sure. I just saw this bike and I really like the way it looks, so thought possibly maybe checking it out. Oh, I'm about to get gas before we go to. Ooh, you get to go to Quick Trip with me. So hopefully I'll get some decent video today of the bike, and y'all can check it out and see what y'all think. I'm sure everybody at home is wondering why I'm talking to myself. But hey, that's the joy of making a YouTube channel. Just make people think you're crazy. And we got my sweet tea. Yes, ma'am. Okay, there's 15.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. That's one thing I hate about Sonic. They stick a receipt to your cup. It's annoying. Anyway, just my pet peeve of the day. Alright. Now I can get fueled up with some tea. Gotta get fueled up with some gasoline. Then we can hit the road. Anyway, I probably won't keep y'all on for the long ride or the fueling up portion, because I'm sure y'all are already irritated. And so when we get back, hopefully we'll be at the mystery motorcycle dealership, and we can check out some bikes for today. And that'd be it. So I guess I will see y'all when I get to that dealership. Y'all have a good one. Stand by. Okay, I tricked y'all. We're not going to look at Hondas or Kawasaki's. I just turned into the wrong parking lot. Slid, but now maybe you can see the sign, and the secret is up. Indian Motorcycles, and they're having free demo rides today. Man, where do I park? Parking out here, but there's a bike there, and I guess there's more in the back, and that would have been perfect because that's the entrance I was supposed to have come in, but I missed it.
I'm sorry? Right 6? Yeah, no, it's okay.
Alright, y'all. Just left the dealership and didn't take really, just took a real small video inside because there was, the dealership's pretty small and there was people everywhere because it's demo day, and didn't really feel like talking to the video, and everybody think I'm just talking to myself. So I just took a quick little video, and that way you'll at least see the bike. I can kind of tell you about it. It's 2018 Indian Scout Bobber. The color on the one that I'm looking at is called Bronze Smoke. It's really light. It's like 500 and something pounds. I sat on it. And actually, I figured it was going to feel a lot smaller. And that was kind of what I was worried about, because I'm coming from a fat boy Harley. And so I was concerned about that, but it actually felt pretty good. I don't think it... I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6 foot 215, so I was like, yeah, I might not be able to pull this off, being it's a mid-size cruiser. But it actually felt good. I'm not real sure about the foot pegs. I'm so used to floorboards now, but I know I can update that with floorboards if I wanted to, but that's just more money, obviously. But anyway, no, I really like the look of the bike, the feel of the bike, price. And you know, how dealerships are. They're going to hit you with for shipping and freight and blah blah blah. So the bike, it retails at like, or the retail number on it's like 12. I think 12.5 is what he said. So that's not too bad of a price. I mean, I sold my fat boy for 12, or no, 11. I'm sorry. So basically, what I sold, this guy in front of me on a motorcycle does not know how to ride. He's killed it twice in front of me. Anyway, but yeah, I mean, it's a nice bike. I like to have it just so I could start doing some moto vlogs, but I don't know if it's going to be worth that to buy it. But I told the guy I'd check some numbers, and I might come back and actually test ride it. He wanted me to do the test ride today because of the demo days and everything, but I was like, no, I don't really want to ride it, because then I might really want it. So I declined that offer. Dealership's really nice, really friendly people. It's Indian Motorcycles of Fort Worth, off 820. They got that big event going on today, the demo ride. So they've got like mariachi band. They had like a taco truck. They gave me a free ticket for free tacos. I didn't take advantage of it. I just ate before I came out here. Bike, please don't come in my lane. This guy really has issues. Anyway, but yeah, the salesman's super nice. I've talked to like 3 different people in there, and they were all really, really nice. Harley, I've dealt with Harley dealerships. I've never bought a new Harley. Mine I bought used, but I've been in a lot of Harley dealerships, and some of them, they've got that attitude of, you know, Harley Davidson were the best, which I agree. I like Harley Davidsons, love them. But you know, if you're trying to sell bikes, they can be a little bit more friendly. I've had to go to the parts and buy parts and stuff from them, and they don't really go out of their way. So I was pretty impressed with how they treated me in there. Not really high pressure. I mean, as high pressure as he got was, he was like, come on man, let's go over here and sign you up for this demo ride. Which, like I said, I understand he wants to get me on a bike so he can sell one, but I'd actually thought about bringing my gear and stuff to do it, but I was like, no, let me just wait. I just want to go look at it, sit on it, see how it feels, and I might go and they said whenever I come back, if I want to ride one, it doesn't have to be on a demo day or nothing. So I might go and test ride it, check it out. Obviously I'd do that before I made the decision to buy it. Like I said, just the way it feels sitting on it, I don't know how comfortable it would be, but like I said, it's just going to be a little city bike. I'm not going to do any long hauls on it, so it'd be perfect for what I need. Small. It's a lot cheaper than Harley's. Well, really, yeah, technically, yeah, it is. Because like I said, I bought my Harleys used, so. But anyway, that's it. I'm going to sign off and get home, and then I'm going to, I've got some more stuff forthcoming exhaust for the Mustang is in. I'm hoping to have that on maybe tomorrow or Monday. So hopefully I'm going to do a video on the MBRP catback exhaust system, the street catback exhaust. I'm hoping to have that video done, and I'm hoping to get the exhaust put on, obviously, because I've had it since Tuesday. I had to work, and my buddy's out of town. He's got the shop we can use, so you know, it's like a new toy. You want to get it, put it on. You don't want it to sit there in your living room. But anyway, that's what that's at. I also bought a drone yesterday. I bought an entry-level drone. Camera's not the best. It's a DJI Spark. Does 1080p video, which that's plenty for what I want to do. So just do some YouTube stuff with that, and then plus I just thought it'd be cool to have a drone that you can actually get up, take some good video and pictures and different angles. So I'm gonna be playing with that. I haven't even tried to fly. I haven't even got it set up completely. It's kind of a pain to set up, but I'm gonna go home and mess with that, try to get it set up, and so hopefully we'll have some drone footage before too long. But other than that, thanks again for stopping by, checking out the channel. Remember to hit that like, subscribe, even that little bell. Hit that for notifications. That way when I do post a video, you'll know. Come back, check it out. I'm hoping to have a lot of stuff coming up. I want to try to find some local car shows, hit those, and do some video there. Check out some, you know, old classic cars. I really love old muscle cars. I'm addicted to vehicles, obviously, if y'all haven't figured that out yet. I thought about checking into the Henry Ford Clinic for help, but need to do something. But anyway, I'm addicted to vehicles, so I love going out, love old muscle cars. My first car ever was a 1969 Mustang, hence my love for Mustangs. But I love all old muscle cars. You know, Camaros, Chevelles, GTOs, Cudas, Challengers, Chargers, all of them. So I might be trying to find some car shows to hit up so I can get some good footage of that. So I've got some things that I'm thinking of trying to put in the works. Right now, I checked the other day, I couldn't find any car shows anytime right now. So I'm going to keep my eye posted for those, and hopefully we'll have some video of that coming up. Other than that, it's just going to be, you know, exhaust video, and whatever else I can think of. There's a few more little things I've thought about getting for the Mustang, but I haven't decided completely on what I want. It's mostly lighting stuff. I'm still looking at some LED reverse light that's smoked, which would go with the smoked outlook I've already got going on the rear of the car. So yeah, it's like I said, just keep checking back, keep watching. I really appreciate it if you subscribe. Lets me know, and the views lets me know, hey, people are watching. And because I am finding out that the editing and downloading or uploading and all that, it's a time process. So I don't want to be doing it just for nobody to watch. But anyway, thanks again, everybody. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the